Once again, welcome ladies and gentlemen. I am Kasid and you're watching YouTube Crypto channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to add custom RPC network in Metamask of Sidra chain. In this video, I will explain you how to use Sidra chain network in Metamask without any KYC and any P2P verification. So guys, let's start the video. Go to description box and click on the given link and you will be redirected on my Telegram channel where you can see Metamask application link and custom RPC network details and Sidra official link. Let me show you how to join this. First of all, you need to install Metamask application. Just click on Metamask application link and install the Metamask. So guys, my Metamask has been installed. Now open the Metamask application. This is the simple way to create a Metamask wallet. You already knows how to create Metamask wallet. So I'm going to skip this. So guys, my Metamask is ready. Now you have to add Sidra chain network. How to add Sidra chain network? Let me show you. First of all, click on the network. Then click on add network. Then click on custom networks. Then you have to fill all these details which is given on our channel. You can copy and paste simply. So first of all, add network name. So I am going to copy and paste here. Same as it is, you have to fill all the information. So guys, you can see I have filled all the informations and next you have to click on add button. Now you can see our Sidra chain network has been added in the MetaMask. You can see here your wallet address and you can see your coin here, but the process is not completed yet. Now you have to link your Sidra chain account to the MetaMask. Let me show you how to link your Sidra chain to MetaMask wallet. You cannot directly use MetaMask now, so you must have to link your Sidra chain. Let me show you. Then again go to our Telegram channel and copy here Sidra link. Copy and then simply again open MetaMask application. Then you have to go here, means in D app. Here you have to paste your Sidra chain link. Then skip this security. Now search here. Then you have to create simple account by your email. So click on login with port. If you have seen any error, then you have to use VPN. So you can see here login page. Now scroll down and click on sign up. Now enter your email and register. Again, I am telling you, you don't have to complete any KYC or any P2P verification. Now enter email and click on register. Now check your email. You can see confirmation email. You have to click on email and hold, then copy URL. After that, close Gmail and go to MetaMask again and here paste that link which you have copied. Now you have to set your password. You can fill these details or you can skip also. Now click on three line and click on partners and click on Sidra chain. After clicking on Sidra chain, you can see these two options. So you have to click on second options, register local wallets. Means here you can link your MetaMask. So simply click on second option. Then I understand the security risk. Then connect. Then sign in. Now you can click on wallet. Here you can click. You can see your wallet address, which is same as MetaMask wallet address. I will show you in 30 seconds. Just wait. Okay. Now you can send and receive from here also. But I am going to show you how to direct send and receive from direct MetaMask. First of all, I have to add my name. So click on setting, save your name here, any name. I am going to set my name. Okay. 123. Okay. Update. Now I am going to close my MetaMask application. Now again open MetaMask application. Unlock your MetaMask by using your password. Now you can see your wallet address. Now your wallet has been linked. You don't need to do anything. Just copy this address and send to your client, and you can receive on this address. Let me show you proof also. So this is my wallet address. I have copied my wallet address and saved to my sent to my client. Now let me move to my camera. You can see here I copied my wallet address and opened my another Sidra wallet, okay, which is same as decentralized. Now here you can see my Sidra token. Let me show you. One token I am going to send on my justly new created wallet. You can see here sent successfully. You can see all see on blockchain also. Here you can click on blockchain and you can check transactions. You can check transactions on blockchain also. Here you can see my wallet address and transaction amount, etc. Now let me close my camera and move to my Metamask and refresh. Now you can see one Sidra token has been received here. You can see, scroll down and see Sidra token is not listed anywhere, so it's showing $0. Okay guys, so you can see tokens received easily. Now you can send from here also. Just click on Sidra token and send. Click on send and enter your friend wallet address and simply send. So guys, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe our channel, and if you are facing any issues, then you can contact me on Telegram. I will definitely help you. Thank you so much for watching our video. Keep supporting.